Guys, and don't forget to pick up this Quilted Northern. Now, I mean, this isn't like the best deal we've ever seen, but we haven't seen toilet paper deals in a while, so I'm definitely stocking up. These are on sale for $6.49 this week. There's a $1.50 off coupon. I'll tell you a story. I went to use this $1.50 off coupon at Winn-Dixie last week. My husband was making fun of me, saying that I needed to wear my mask into Winn-Dixie so nobody would see my face, because apparently I can't shop at Winn-Dixie according to him. But I haven't shopped at Winn-Dixie in years. I haven't been there in like 5 years. But I walked in because they had Quilted Northern BOGO, and had these $1.50 off coupons. The lady told me, we don't take printable coupons. Like, they don't take a printable coupon any. So I bought the 2 Quilted Northern that I was going to buy, but I didn't get to use my coupons, so I'm going to use them for this deal at Publix instead, because Publix will take my printable coupons. So if you buy one at $6.49, use the $1.50 off coupon. It will make these $4.99, which is not like a drop everything and run deal, but it's a pretty dang good deal.